right, so this is a 90-90 hip shift, and really we're just focusing on moving one leg at a time. But for now, you're gonna bring both knees up, and you're gonna feel some hamstrings. Take an easy inhale and exhale. Now bring one leg down, choose one leg, and the other knee stays up. Good. Then pull that left knee inwards. Good, so take an inhale and exhale here. Good, now switch sides. You should be able to feel and see a difference in your height of the knees. There we go, that's a lot better. Inhale, exhale. You should see a difference in the line of that ball. Good, one more on each side and then we're all done. Exhale through your mouth. There you go. And then switch sides one last time. Look at that. There we go.